question that will make you quite guilty. Like, you long-time Lolita enthusiasts, like, do you do inventory of your Lolita clothes? Like, do you count? Do you count the pieces you have? Because I know it's so hard to find the dream dress and the prints that's so sought after. So do you count?
I'm in hiding, make the gold, make the see. I could hear and that's enough. The clashing of the hordes, hoof by hoof, horn by horn, a raging song in an encore. I could barely speak, I could only hum a tune, and with us I am met with a chorus I am soon.
Like clowning around, a voice actor and all-around chaos incarnate. Please welcome to the stage, Kanarana!
Existence seems fucking hopeless. You're feeling filthy like a diamond bottom star. Can't face the world sober and dopeless. I'll say you've lost your way. You think your life is wrecked. Well, let me just say you're correct. Everybody, wait, what? A loser, baby, a loser, goddamn baby. You're a fucked up little whiny bitch. You're a loser just like the asshole.
Kenkoy, because my English is only limited to a few sentences. And that's the reason why no one has sung yet a Filipino song. We're in the Philippines, so I will be singing a Filipino song. Let me just test my music first. Can I get a hell yeah? Yeah! Thank you. Can you hear that? Yeah. You're not there. Alright. I will tell you a story about a young man who struggles in life. But life is fair. That's why we're all here in welfare. The story is about from rags to riches. By selling only water until he won a lottery.
Ay, sorry.
All you, the one, Vino, Waki, sa parang isang ang swerte mo nasa paligid lang ang buhay ay ganyan. Nasa palad mo ang pagbabago ng takbo at walang mangyayari kung hindi mo susubukan. Magbukas ka ng isipan kahit talo may natututunan. Di mo lang alam, di mo maintindihan ang lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin. May kanya-kanyang dahilan. You know the song? Pepito Manalodo, kanta mo ay todo-todo. Napunta sa'yo lahat ng pwenas sa mundo. Pag-ukol-ukol ng kay Pedro ay kay Pedro, pero ang kay Pepito Jack panalo. Kaya yan ang tatayaan ko. Repito, Manaloto, swerte mo ay todo-todo na punta sa'yo. Lahat ng pwedas sa mundo, pag-bukol lang kay Pedro ay kay Pedro, pero ang kay Pepito tsang panalo, yan ang tatayaan ko. Pepito, Manaloto, swerte mo ay todo-todo na punta sa'yo. Lahat ng pwedas sa mundo. Thank you!
I love you, Pepito!
I love you too! Pepito! I really don't want to do this, you know? I'm so bored. That's why I did this. Just to entertain you. I'm just bored.
This program brought to you by Very Strong Ukuleles.
Baby!
Alright, so, yes guys, we are also celebrating Philippine culture here in Ren Fair PH. As you can tell by my Cordillera outfit. As I say, I put the yeah in Cordillera. Alright, so, how did you feel about your performance, Kenkoy?
I'm really hungry.
Well, I hope these scores will fill you up. Judges, what is the score?
Hungry for more. I'm hungry for more.
Well, we have an 8.5, an 8, and an 8. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, one more round of applause for Kenkoy.
Hi! Hi, doggy!
Alright, so we have our next performer. Madam, this is the Philippines. Vote buying is not illegal. Alright. Politics aside, we
Sumabit-sabit yung
have
gitara
another
ko.
performer who is ready to wow us with their skill. Please welcome Carol Tangkine T-Tendo.
Cheers, but a scratch.
Lapit ka. Yes. Sige, balik lang ako. Sige. Video natin. Sige, ano ka? Kuha ka ng quest. Naka-video to, video. Tinkerbell, please sing us time in the city. Shining. Tuloy. Sabi mo nga ulit yun. Nasaan tayo? Ano to?
Lawakan Road daw.
Oh.
Ito. Kaso nipis naman yung kalye. Pero maganda sa map na to, may treasure.
Oh.
Andito
Saan?
yung ginto.
Ayun.
Guys, pixies need rest too.
Action! Sapa. Dito ka lang, dito. Hanggang dito ka lang. Pagpasok, dito ka lang. Tapos, mama. Ganun. Action! Exit kayo, exit. Okay.
Ano, saan ako titigil? Hindi na ako titigil sa'yo.
Hindi ka titingin sa akin sa camera. Paano? Oh, game. Teka lang, may tao dun eh. Sige, ready? Action! Dito ka tumingin, humarap kung tumatalikod ka eh. Diyan ka yan, ganyan. Sige. And zoom out.
Credits.
And action! Dito ka humarap, ma.
Luna!
Oh, game.
Luna!
Tapos parang champion, nakuha kang stick. And cut. Sige, lakad. Focus natin sa mata kung bakit ka gumaganyan. Tingin ka dito.
This will help you. What's this? Wala, pero 4 na mag yan. Gamitin mo. Makabutihan. Lalong-lalo na sa kasamaan. Parara. Parang may pupuntahan. Kasi nagpupunta mo rito? Dito. May McDonald's.
Dami tao sa likod. Teka. Eh.
Dito, may McDonald's. Dito may Chuck. Pero pag nakaiwan mo lang siya. Malaking. Tigyawat ang makuha mo. Tara.
Okay, yes. Lakad-lakad. Ay, wait lang.
Atas ko na. Ready, action.
Ano ba? Hindi ko na nasundan, hindi ko alam saan ako papunta.
Action!
Sabi ko lang.
Parang tatakot ka. Huwag ka tumawa. Action!
Oh, bilis. Kita ka dyan, JR.
Kaya mo siya. Ganito ah. Diba, dinubugbog mo siya. Dinubuhat mo ganito. Dito ka.
Wait lang. Nakaano na pala to eh, gumagalaw na. May tao sa likod, JR.
naiwan yung loop ko.
May tao sa likod, sinabi ko. Saan? Dumaan kanina, sinasabi.
5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Wala kami ah.
Stop! And...
Ayusin mo yung leg mo, lumalabas na yung mga tela. Na-try mo na yung archery? Ayun, napupunta ka sila.
Bulag-bulag, bulag-bulagan. Video to, video. Bulag-bulagan. Uy, gago. Uy. Ako, wait lang.
Rolling. Action.
Rolling and action.
Magandang umaga, kaibigan. Maaari ka ba naming maimbitahan sa aming maliit na barangay para makausap sa git lamang. Wak! Pumalag! Mga kaibigan, pumalag!
Tapos, ready, action.
Magandang umaga, kaibigan. Maaari ka ba naming maimbitahan sa barangay para makausap na ng saglit? Ito yung tungkol sa... Oh! Sandali! Pumalag! Kaibigan, wag ka! Pumalag! Ay, laban! Oh! Lumaban ka! Kaibigan, kunwari lang po ito. Peke lang. Huwag kong mag-alala. Peke lang. Pumalag!
May video, may picture ng ano. Yung sa gilid, yung puti.
Okay. Rolling. 3, 2.
Habang buhay, ako sa'yo'y maghihintay. Umaraw man umuulan, di sasablay. Pinta ko sa aking puso ang pag-ibig na tunay. This is what you buy, boys. Tawa ka. Dito ka harap. Dito harap, face forward. Tingala.
Kita ako eh.
Titingala. Action. Wait lang. Zoom in go. Yes. Tawa.
I can't read.
Ay, gago dami. And go.
I can't read.
Kapa. Dapat doon ka sa may fence mismo tumawid eh. Recording eh.
Sabay, Kings. Isa pa.
Bakit?
Madami dumaan eh.
Okay lang, parang
Nye.
may ibang tao rito.
Dito.
Kasi maganda yung person.
Hindi, nag-ano ko eh. Overlap eh. Hey. 3, 2, rolling. Last, 3, 2.
Pasisira na kay.